Tim from Southwest has a question about a gurgling sink.
It's in his bathroom, Tom.
Okay.
Tim writes, what does he write? He says, it's right there on the prompter. He says, I see a line come from the wall into the P-trap in the drain, as you can see in this here picture he sent in.
I've got one just like that in my house.
That's a mighty robust pipe there. Anyway, Tim says he's not sure what to do next. He says he Googled the problem and many answers point to the AC, which I assume that's an AC
That's
drain,
AC drain,
coming into it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm concerned about bigger problems down the road. I don't know what bigger problems he might have.
In fact, you have no problem.
Okay, so what do you do to get rid of the gurgle?
You can't. It's inherent in the way it is set up like that. So if it's really bothering you it's still going to gurgle, but you won't hear it as much if you close the stopper.
I know how he can fix this problem. He can move to Atlanta.
Okay.
Because in Atlanta, they still drain them outside the side of the house.
Yeah, a lot of places still do. But the problem is if you don't hear that gurgling and it is draining into your emergency pan, then you have to call an AC repair guy because you could flood your house. But what your air conditioning system is doing, it's dehumidifying. It's putting the water down the drain. It's doing it in a P-trap so you don't have the sewer smells coming up, and it makes that gurgle noise. But if you close the stopper in the sink, chances are you won't hear it or notice it anymore. So if it's bothering you, if it's sleeping or something. But not a problem.
But listen, if it's keeping you up at night and you want to get smarter, you can go to homeshowradio.com. Click on the Ask Tom tab. Watch more of these videos, and you know how to fix everything in your house.